Welcome in the testing area. Here, I'm gonna play with my games. I even have a smoke machine. I need some light. Light. That's even better. Hello and welcome in my testing chamber. Now I can see it's staying up. I was hoping that it will stay low and it will make a nice creepy mist. But I do not see anything like that happening. There are a few things that I have to do here today. Stretch green screen a bit. I had to change it to 1/50th of a second shutter speed. Probably making so much smoke here was not the best idea.
What is your wish?
But I think it's actually right. I wish everyone who doesn't do yoga suffered a horrible back pain! Immortality! Isn't it a bit red because of that light?
Am I red? Awesome sound later, but how does it look like? Could I be some ancient creature with no face?